a rewiring of my mind so that I get into a healthy lifestyle. What is the meaning of fitness? Everyone thought that I'm someone who's a fitness freak. 2016, when I was detected with hypothyroidism. Hi everyone. In my last video, I spoke about the importance of moving your body. Today, what I want to talk about, or what I was thinking, was why a person like me talking about fitness. So there's a critic in my head which is questioning this. What is the meaning of fitness? I think last January meet, I had posted a video on my Mysore trip. A person who had met me when I was in my early 20s commented on that. So he told me that, Joe, you have put on so much of weight, you have lost your beauty. Go back to your fitness freak avatar. And that's what got me thinking. When I was in my 20s, I started working out in the year 2009, and I used to look amazing. And everyone kept saying, she looks so nice. That's also the youth, fresh out of college, started working, and the freedom of doing things on your own. So, definitely, all those aspects made me, look my best at that time. And everyone thought that I'm someone who's a fitness freak. 2016, when I was detected with hypothyroidism, Hashimoto's, it was not because I was living a bad lifestyle. And I was really surprised that something like that happened to me, because that took my whole life in a very different dimension. And one of the major reason that I figured out why Hashimoto's happened to me was because I have been undernourished completely. 2003 is when I left my house for my studies. Like, I completed my 10th standard and I came out for my studies. Since then, I have lived in hostels and PGs and I have never ate anything healthy. On top of that, I was working out and I used to go for dance. I used to, jump into everything that came my way. But I didn't even know what nutrition is. We those days don't never heard of things like post-workout, pre-workouts, and all that. And there's something called TDE, which is a total energy expenditure that you do. So for me at that age, it was very high because I was young, I was energetic, and I was working out. I used to walk like 5-6 kilometers because those days I didn't have money, so I would not take the auto. On top of that, I was eating all junk. It's an abuse which I didn't know I was doing to my body. So my body was taking it. And in the year 2016, there was a crash, right? My body gave up. And that's what opened my eyes to what fitness is. When we say fitness is not about how many hours of workout we put in. Fitness is a combination of multiple things. It's about the nutrition, which is a very, very important aspect. Actually, it is more important than working out. What we put in our body, our hydration level, our sleep quality, our relationships, our stress levels, our cortisols in the body, our hormone health. I think all of this is holistically make a good life. And that is what fitness is as per me. So, fitness doesn't really mean just going to the gym, and that's a thought I wanted to leave you guys with. And of late, I have been trying to get back to a fit life, but this time my approach is not a very goal oriented approach. This time my approach is more of a rewiring of my mind so that I get into a healthy lifestyle. Now, what is the difference between a goal based fitness and rewiring of my mind to live a fit life is something probably I'll talk about later in some other videos. So, I got to go now. Lots of love. Bye bye.